Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a track in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see your project workspace, you're ready to begin duplicating your audio tracks. Now, Audacity gives you two main options for duplicating audio depending on what you need. You can either duplicate a specific portion of your track or duplicate the entire audio file. Let's explore both methods so you can choose the one that works best for your project. We'll start with duplicating just a specific part of your audio. To do this, click and drag over the section you want to duplicate. As you drag, you'll see the selected portion become highlighted, making it clear exactly which part will be copied. This method is particularly useful when you're working on a specific segment of your track and want to repeat or layer that particular sound or phrase elsewhere in your project. Once you've highlighted your desired section, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Click on Edit to reveal a drop-down menu with various editing options. From this menu, select Duplicate. Audacity will then create an identical copy of your selected audio and place it directly below the original track. This keeps your workspace organized and makes it easy to work with multiple layers of audio. Now, let's look at how to duplicate the entire audio track. This approach is perfect when you want to create a complete copy of your track for layering effects, creating harmonies, or simply backing up your work within the same project. To select all the audio, simply double-click on the first audio track. This action automatically highlights the entire track from beginning to end, saving you the time of manually dragging across the whole length. With your entire audio track now selected, go back to the top left corner and click on Edit once again. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Duplicate just like before. Audacity will process your request and create a full copy of the track, which will appear at the bottom of your project workspace beneath the original. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate both specific portions and entire tracks in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.